Hello all, this is a 3 minutes video where I show you how I flip my pancake. On an earlier video, I've showed you the ingredients I use in making my pancake. So today, let's just focus on how I flip my pancake. So watch and learn. And also, I'm going to be showing you the technique I use in putting my chocolate spread on the pancake I made. My kids love pancake, so I enjoy making it for them. So I decide to learn different method I can make it presentable for them and healthy for them to eat. They take pancake most times as breakfast and they enjoy taking it. So this is how I flip the pancake. If you watch, I was very careful in putting my spatula under the pancake and I flipped it carefully. So this is it. After I flipped it, this is the other side and it's cooked. I pressed it down so that it could get cooked very well. And this pancake is very light and is not too thick because kids are going to take it and I don't want it too thick. So this is the outcome of the pancake, and I'm going to be showing you the method I use in putting my chocolate spread on it. This is the chocolate spread I use. I use Nutella chocolate spread. This chocolate spread is very good for pancake, and I like this product because it's rich and it's not too sugary, but it has this chocolatey taste that you enjoy as you eat it with your pancake. It melts into your mouth. So watch how I roll this into a shape that the kids like. So this is the technique I use in doing this. And take note, you have to wash your hand before you start cooking so you don't get contaminated. So this is the final result of our pancake with chocolate spread on it. So we had this with Actimel yogurt. Actimel yogurt is good for your health and is a rich kind of yogurt. If you have enjoyed this content, please comment, share and like and engage with me so that I can continue to bring good content to you. Thank you. Bye.